September tal chi Shalmari tini kok ti shalo Tripura Engineer Society of Tripura ni luaji Mumbai BC 2023-24 ni education sponsorship panda songsajaka Agartala Press Club tini no pandau phai manjaka Society ni kasko Engineer Omulya Jamatia yak chokasko Engineer Odit Kumar Deborma yak chokasko Engineer Monu Jamatia Society ni tangphang Engineer Jibon Deborma yak chu tangphang Dr. Devdulal Tripurano Khobai Engineer Gutom Riyang te Society ni juda-juda mungganang engineers rok kini op pandawo bebagai khorokchi chugya rung sunai rokno kisasok rang ruwai chubasuni bisingte baskango tebok kahamke rung srigi thangmana bagai chuba laikha Tripura Engineer Society of Tripura ni bakhakte
Currently, class 12 KVN at Agartala Portongo. I class 10 percentage and 93%.
जो मीडिया प्रेस मीडिया नो चिनी पंदा चिनी एजुकेशनल स्पॉन्सरशिप ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट सोसाइटी ऑफ फाइव मंथ बने जो दोनों हमलाई जों तिनी ओजागा Tripura Engineer Society ni educational sponsorship ini for the financial year 2023-24 ni kahap panda chini ojaga sajabka o taklai ni financial year ro total 10 jon students select khaiga kai sema bo जों उदि हाइनो same sponsor 10 jon sponsor khaimani taklai bo जों तिनी 10 jon student no sponsor khainani Kanka, Kai Ozaga Tonojamo, Dainika de Burma, West District, Koroktam, Dainika de Burma, Belbari Block ni, the first year Kumlung Degree College of 15,000, Kai Priata Jomatia, Telemura, Darjeeling Tilani, first year Sanskrit University, Agartala, 15,000 in sanction Kaya. Test my Deborma, what Rumisi Para West Tripura, class 12, Kindru Videro, and a Jago 10,000. Loro Koroktamka, West District, the South District ni Koronitongo, Pritika Riang, BTEC, second year, electrical and NIT Agartala, 30,000. Yuga Jamatia, Dalak, Omorpur, South District ni, Boga second year, veterinary science. 130,000 sanction khajaka bor khoronika South District tei Dholai District ni chinoro khorokpuri tongo khorokchani bumka jamin babu tripura class to 11 science umakanto egenno admission za 10,000 jongin boy sanction khajaka tei Johan Deborma Salema Dholai English medium school class 10 Jamthung English medium school o 10,000 bono sanction khajaka tei Dholai District ni te Khorong ni modde Rajendra Yang Gonda Tisha Dholai District o 4th year BTEC NIT Agartala pori tongotabo over 30,000 boni boy sanction khata te Khoroksa Dholai District ni tongo Kerata Tripura Gorshabari block ni Dholai District okai BA first year BBMC Agartala in boy 15,000 sanction khata te paithago tongo North District ni Khoroksa in kai Gonitarani area or 3rd year BTEC electrical in boy sanction khata 30,000 kai chino je 10 jon je student sponsor khaimani bisingo chino selective supervisor tongo borong বিভিন্ন time to time borong council khainai gono বিভিন্ন phase rang busagi akanai kun adjustment বিভিন্ন matter borong ong gono naikona gai ang paithago amuno thanks rinamu sungo chini jotto members je steam members songni chubasu rima bagina singmo hai last 2 years singmo program no chung damu jora continue khai tongo এবং future bo chung chini well wishers te chini joto member ni support tongma bagai chung future bo mono continue khai bagai kha khai ambai so bishi bro tiaro chung 10 jon nang taklai bo chung 10 jon no ha khorok last year ni 10 jon ni te khorok bano te ha renew khai continue khai taklai ni ke katal 5 jon total taklai ni 10 jon o financial year 2023-24 ni select khai
selection
Aboni main kongkai abo based on ini meritorious student na nangai bini performance bini se madhyamik 12 result more than 70% 80% jo applicant khaidin de jo se best ya ba bini family background bela weak na nangai needing na nangai o decision no barna selection khaija educational sponsorship last 2 years specific numbers of students je chuba chori tongo abo bade no earlier days ro ko ba age ni days ro ko sikila mate bono chuba chori jemon abon kote boro NIT no student rok tongo ba other college no student rok tongo ba chung amba hai nangkok mane sere rong no bo chung jora jora mangkha kai bono bo chai to bono ba ke chuba chori ebong future nong ni madde phone ke bo jodi inti nangkok mane boro rok tongkha kai chung so nailena jesep chung chuba na chak chuba
College purna ceremony economic stipend money. Scholarship on do with nothing. Very recently, anything is right out of Saturday, travel for department name of your thing as well. Okay, I'm office of Tomoma. And travel for department name OSD. It so happened to be any close friend. Okay, most of the people okay. One phone like the high course is a support like I am only stipend Hakimano, as a mano, I guess a mano, Takas, Mano, hostel fees Maya, Trocos. Okay, Bobaco 7 hours, I know, more the Mano, our mother inside of things. There's a college like college, I know, details books like that. And I think particularly example with the NIT. और registration fees ओके मान लें से 10,000, 11,000, 15,000 से तुमने हो मान दो बाकी मान बस नहीं और कैसे नोडल ऑफिसर तो नोडल सेल तो होता है ना जो स्कॉलरशिप में वास्ता के निशान और सेल में actually साउज़े registration fees बस परमानेंट रिपोर्ट मार दो ट्रैवल फॉर डिपार्टमेंट ना accordingly सर मेरा registration fees of 5 years back करता है और इन्वर्सन का इनके hostel में particularly proposed लेता है तो इस तरह का प्राय 30 to 40 students hostel तो मैं तो hostel fees तो कम मारो not bad